Deep in the heart of Puglia's Valle d'Itria, where the landscape unfurls in shades of emerald and olive, sits Casa Roverella, a home not merely built upon the land, but born from it. From the moment the Vergati Creative Studio encountered the site, one element commanded their attention: a grand, ancient oak. This wasn't just a tree, it was the project's muse, its beating heart, around which the entire structure would gracefully unfold. The house's C-shape was an intentional echo of an embrace, a gesture of welcoming that cradled the outdoor spaces, all while maintaining an open vista toward the shimmering pool and the breathtaking hilly landscape beyond. The intention was clear: to create a continuous conversation between human habitation and the untouched beauty of nature. Step inside, and you are immediately enveloped by a sense of calm. The curved vaults overhead, flowing seamlessly into the ivory lime-washed walls, play a delicate dance with the light, casting soft, shifting shadows that mark the passage of the day. Every window, thoughtfully placed, frames a unique tableau of the countryside, offering unexpected views that connect you to the sprawling olive groves and sun-drenched fields. The furniture, crafted from warm, painted oak, alongside the unified concrete floor, contributes to an expansive feel, blurring the lines between rooms. It's a deliberate minimalism, yet one that speaks volumes through its carefully chosen textures and materials, always with a subtle nod to the rustic charm of Puglia. Outside, the experience continues to unfold. A welcoming pergola offers a cool sanctuary from the summer sun, inviting lingering meals and relaxed poolside lounging. The pool itself, with its gentle waterfall, acts as a visual anchor, drawing the eye towards the distant hills. Then there's the external staircase, a striking, sculptural element that defies its functional purpose. Rigorous in its geometry, yet elegant in its form, it doesn't just connect the pool to the sky, it invites you to ascend, to find a panoramic perch where thoughts can freely wander and the golden hues of a Puglian sunset paint the sky in unforgettable colors. Casa Roverella is more than a house, it's a testament to the power of thoughtful design, a place where nature and architecture intertwine in a harmonious, unforgettable embrace.